We begin tonight with breaking news. A powerful and deadly earthquake struck Morocco late Friday night. Hundreds feared dead as buildings were toppled, reduced to rubble within seconds. Dozens more injured as terrified residents flooded the streets, running from their homes for safety. Multiple aftershocks have also been reported. Make sure to stay with ABC News for continuing coverage.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.